up? Yung nagbabalik tayo ngayon. So, ngayon guys, magbibigay ako ng tour sa... Okay, bibigay tayo ng tour sa studio ko. Which is, hindi pa tayo official studio kasi kung ito magiging studio, wala akong pintuan or wala akong nilalagay sa likod na para hindi tumatagos yung sounds. Pero papakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung bala kong unang table. Pero, bilis masira. So, bala wag na. Ito na yung naging table ko. Ayusin ko na ito. Papunta doon. Tapos ito dito. Tapos ito yung buwang ko. Ito electric ko na. Ayun mga baby doggies ko. Bidid cam. Tsaka mon. Biged, come. Man, come. Biged. Laro itong dalawa. Uy! Kala ko nakatutok ko sa... Ay! Tayo, biged, tayo. One. No. Tayo, biged, tayo. Big! Man! Kumain ko yung biged mo. Come. Come dito. Biged, come. Ouch! Man! Kalma lang. Ay! Humigil kayo, ha? Humigil kayo. Dito ka, Biged. Sa akin. Ito yung doggy ko. Hindi ko na mabubuhat. Kasi ang laki na to. Biged, come. Dito ka. Mon, ikaw. Manahimik ka. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Ay, si Biged naman, oh. Ay, ikaw man, salbahe ka. Nangangagat ka. Tama na, ha? Okay, magulo tong dalawang kapitid. Huwag na pala. Si Biged din ay mahilig siya manggano ng kamay sa aso namin. So, Billy, nahiga na siya. Si Almond, ayaw niya sa electric pan eh. Biged, dito ka nga. Dito ka. Sa may electric pan. Dito ka. Ayaw niya. Biged, come. Layo niya ako pansinin. Biged! Come. Layo niya. Tingnan din. Nanganginan siya sa ulo lang. Ayaw niya sa katawan. Bale, ito yung pwesto ko. Pwede ako dito matulog pero hindi ko alam paano. At wait lang kayo dyan. At magbibideo muna. Magbibideo. May kukunin lang ako mga kompletong items ko dito. Okay, bye-bye. Wait lang. Kayo. Nahimik kayo dyan, ha? Ikaw, Biged. Nahimik kayo. Nakakunin ko na sa cellphone ko. Baka mahulog to. So, open wide, rooftop. Bale. Open wide siya. Biged, no? Wala pagkain dyan. Open wide siya. Wait lang. Kwarto tayo. Inalimutan ko pa tayo electric. Inalimutan ko electric pa dyan. Kukunin ko ng mga gamit ko dito. Okay, I forgot yung electric pan nasa taas. Marami tayo kukunin dito sa second floor. Flashlight. Pwede naman yan. Bukas na kasi dadating yung equipments ko. May bulsa pala ako. Nagpapakahirap ako. Yung Nintendo. Tsaka stand yung kulang ko eh. Ma! Nasaan yung stand? Yung kulay pula. Andin itim, dalawang itim nandito eh.
Yung itim na nasa gilid.
Okay.
O baka nasa ilalim niya.
Okay.
Malaki.
Ito nakuha ko na. Thank you. Siyempre, dadalhin natin yung games. Bumaba ako dito para sa wala. Nakuha ko na lahat. Uy, tutumba ako. At kukunin ko na yung... Ito yung hinihigaan ng doggy ko. Kala ko nagbulsa ko na. Binalagay ko na ito sa bulsa ko. Kaya akit na ako. Hindi pala. Nilagay ko lang. So, ito yung gagawin ko stand sa in-order ko pala. Ay, yung bait nila. Wala akong dalang pagkain. Ay! dami ko actually dala. Ito, Nintendo. Lang ayusin natin. Yung Nintendo stand. Yan guys. So meron din pa itong isang sa pang stand guys. Build na to sa mismong ano. Build na to mismo sa pagkabili ni mama, which is yung handle part. Pwede ko lagay dyan cellphone ko at mag-video ko para sa Nintendo ko. Pero hindi tayo ngayon mag-video about sa Nintendo ko. Pag nakuha ko na yung setup, yung mouse at keyboard, ayun lang po kailanganin ko dito. So, ito yung mga gamit. Ilaw. Para mamayang gabi or basta ganun ng gabi pagkakailanganin ko. Itong pen na to sa cellphone, which is hindi naka-charge. Lobat. Tapos, ito naman yung sa Joy-Cons. Uy! Oy, nahulog. Okay. Pumuna tayo. Sa Joy-Cons. Uy, ano yun? Oh, forgot I have a baby. Joy-Cons ang reconnect. Para pag in-out ko doon, kabigid. Ang cute mo. Ito yung games. At ito ay pang-connect sa cellphone, which is ito, pag Type-C, ito, Type-C or Type-C, di ba dito lang pwede saksak? Ito naman yung saksakan ng kahit anong charger, except iPhone. Basta sa iPhone, ganun. Sasaksak mo yan, Android, pag Android kayo, sasaksak mo. Or something, di ba, Type-C, pero Android. Ayun lang sa inyo. Kukonek mo, tas kakalang mababa, ayun. Oh no, okay, fell down. Hey, it's safe. This is the game. This is what my sister recommended for me. She said, oh no, okay. Have to drop everything just to get this one piece. Okay, why am I very familiar? This is the game that my sister told me to get because it was good. It's good, but how can I play with other characters? And I don't know what's the mission, bro. This thing, which is I gotten from my brother. Yeah, he'll notice. And he didn't even notice. Like, that was there like a month. Bro, that was there and then I forgotten about it. And then now I just discovered I can use my phone to... I can connect my... I could buy something that could connect to a phone to make it laptop. So and then I said that could be used on Nintendo. So I got on this. It's my main game. It's that usually I played. So let me show you my account over there. Okay. So this is the Nintendo, which is the one that is. It's not Nintendo one. It's before the Nintendo one. So and then I have to do something. Okay. If I got on 100 subscribers or 200, I will reveal who is Billy Dude. I know him, bro. So this is the game. Set the card. Set the card. Okay, no. Okay, let's play Mario. Go play Mario. This is the case that I bought for it. Ouch, what the hell? Why did I do that? Yes, skip. I have a lot of this again, bro. Okay, why am I screaming like that? Okay, double 11. Okay, made it. No, I don't have it. Yeah, I'm just weird. Bro, this takes so long. Press any button. mission in here. This is my account. This is the one that. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? This is the character that I used. Start again. I cannot play offline. Online, I mean online. Yeah, bro. Oh, wait, change it. Yeah, I don't know why am I gonna change. I'm gonna reveal who is the villager dude. What is his face, and then we're gonna collab, man. What is his age and face? We're gonna collab, bro. We're gonna collab if I hit 300 subs. Okay, I'm not gonna turn the camera off. Bro, my other account got in something gooder than this thing. Okay, Man! Man, bakit? I usually play when I accidentally deleted my account or yeah, something glitched up. This is the mission I need. I need to upgrade that thing, bro. So I can get that's my favorite. But let's check what is in stock. I hope really get what the hell. Bro, come on, man. Nah, I hate this dude, bro. Why? Bro! Daggers. I never gotten this. I remember. And then, okay, get out. Blech. Daggers. Let me serve it. Bro, no. Oh, why? I think it's low, but yep, it's low, but and then I'm gonna try to take my charger, which is yeah. Just wait for me. Don't. Hey, stay there. Hey, just stay. Ligad lang ka lang. Yo! What's up, guys? So, agaran din. Super gara din. So, my that damn man. Forgot about the square. Why am I? Bro, just stay there, okay? Stay. did you do, guys? Okay, we got in the square. Okay, turned off. Day! What did I? We have to fix this first. This is a lot of mess. Bro, what the hell is wrong with you? Bro, what is happening to you? Bro sounded like he's joking. Bro, he's breathing right now. I don't know what the hell is wrong with that, but every time he drinks water, that maybe it's just something that happened to him. I don't know what the hell is a glucose. Okay, I don't know where am I gonna put this thing. So yeah, let's fold it first. The small little dogs. This is my little dog's bed. Let me put my Nintendo first. Some equipment in here, bro. I'm gonna put it in here. Oh no. Then we have a built-in pillow in here, man. I could use this thing as oh damn. We could use the thing that we are using right now for the Nintendo. I mean Thor's bed for forgot the name. Oh yeah, I remember. Kumo or blanket. Then here's my Pokemon collection. I don't have nothing to place like that thing. Oh, I'm gonna place it in the middle. Oh no, never mind. Bruh. So cute. Bigay, what are you doing? Come. Come. Oh, I don't wanna come. Don't wanna why? No, why? Two Pikachus in my Pokemon collection. Oh no. Nothing fell down, and then that's all. And then I'm gonna show you the pillow. Pillow. Oh no. What the hell? Okay, I don't know why the hell this thing is broken, but yeah. This is for my dates. Oh damn. Okay, why am I posting like that, man? Yeah, so let's put it in here. That's all it. Bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Remember, I will expose whoever is villager dude.